from array import asterisk x equal array of I. So I, it represents the integer, square bracket. So like this you need to give. Then print out positive index of 1. To print negative index to print positive slicing give it. Control S. Give this run module. Is the positive index. That means the index value are given, I think 1. So the 1 position, the value it is 3. So it is printing the answer 3. The negative slicing, that means negative index 0, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. In the place of minus 4, the value was 34. So it is printing the answer now 34. Next, 0th index to 4th index, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is your 4th index. Up to this it will print. That means the 4th index value will not be written. Next, negative slicing, minus 5 to minus 1. So this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. From the minus 5 to minus 1. So that means 3, 34, 8, 23. So the rest of the value will not be get printed. Do you clear? So the next one is array functions. Array functions, as I said, so array functions also, it is predefined functions. It will be applied on the array variables. So the first one is array functions. In that array functions, the first function is min. The next function is max, sum, len. So these are all the different functions. For example, max of x. Next print of min of x. Print sum of x. Print len of x. It is printing the max of x. Max of x means it will be maximum value of the x, it is 34. Minimum value of x will be 1. So the sum of the x, it is actually 84. The length of the x, it will be like 8. That means 8 number of elements in the array variables. Do you have any doubts in this? So the next is array methods. So in the array methods, we will see about first how to insert the values to the array variable. Already we have array values. In that I need to insert some more values to the array variable. For that case, we can go for the array methods. That means the first method is append method for adding one value at the end of the array. So that is the use of the append method. Just a second. Okay, so inserting values to array variable. So for this first one is we have a array variables. Now I want to insert one value. So for that you need to do x dot append of 100. That means this will be added at the end. Add one value the end of array. First case. Next print of x. Next x dot insert the fourth position. You need to add 23 or you need to add 54. Add one value, the specific index the x dot, that means print of x. Next x dot extend of 10, 20, 30 and 50, something like this. So that means it add group of values end of array, print of x. See, so it is adding one value at the end. That means the 100 will be added at the end of the array, the first case. Second one is insert. The fourth position, it will add the 54. That means the fourth position was 34 was there. So that will be shifted to the next. So that means in the fourth position, the 54 has been added. The next one is extend. Extend adds the group of value at the end. So that means the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 will be added at the end of the array. So till this, do you have any doubts? This is the way to insert values to the array. So this is the first case. So the next, deleting elements of array. So this is a second case. Deleting the elements of the array. For example, in this case, I just give first method. So x dot pop. Remove the last element. That is the use of this. Remove last element of array. That means print of x. After remove, that will be get printed. Next, x dot remove of the value 3. So that means the value 3 will be removed. Value 3 has been removed from array. So that is the first next case. Next print of x. Next x dot remove. That means del of x. X of 2. So that means the second position value will be get removed. It remove the second index value. That is the meaning. So after that, it will be get printed. So this is way of deleting the elements. Just run this. So that means the last element was 7. So the 7 will be get removed. So that is the first case. Just a second. Just to wait. The first case, the 7 will be get removed. So that means after that removing 7, the 7 was not there. The next one is I just given the index it is 3. That means third index value will be removed. So third index value it is 0, 1, 2, 3. Third index value was 3. So that 3 will be removed. So after removing 3, there will not be any value 3. So that is the second case. That means by using remove method. So the next method is del x of index is 2. So 0, 1, 2. So the 2 index was 5. So that means here the 2 index it is actually 3. So the 3 was get deleted. So here you need to see 0, 1, 2. So the second index value was